Hello everyone, it's Professor L here. Today we're gonna make beauty food. That's right, look at that dark chocolate lava cake. It is so delicious and gonna make you happy and beautiful. It is so soft and melty in the middle, and it's so crunchy and toasty from the outside. It's like a mouthful of heaven. Here are the ingredients you need, and that's right, the Klondike dark chocolate vanilla bar. First, microwave the chocolate and butter for about a minute. While you're waiting for that, just combine the sugar and eggs. After you take it out the chocolate and butter, just give it a nice stir. You want to really combine them well. It should look like this. Then just combine all your ingredients. Ooh la la, it's so therapeutic to blend. Do you think so too? Now we just pour that into a baking cup or bowl. And don't forget your Klondike bar right in the middle. Then just bake in the oven at 350 degrees for 40 minutes, and you are ready to eat and enjoy this delicious